Today we're going to be making some grinder salad, which is a viral recipe here on TikTok, and I wanted to give this a try for lunch. So we're going to start out with a cup of mayonnaise. I'm using Hellmann's light mayonnaise. Okay, so we have the mayonnaise, so now we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar to that. The next step is to add 2 cloves of garlic minced, which I have minced fresh garlic here, but I'm just going to do 1 full tablespoon of that because we really like garlic. Now we're going to add a half of a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now we're going to add some pepper, and we're going to add some salt. I just have this salt grinder, so we're just going to put a little bit of salt in there, and I'm not going to measure those because, again, I don't think many people measure salt and pepper, but maybe that's just me. And the last step is a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes, and I wanted to make sure that I had that measurement correct because I don't want to make it too spicy so that my husband and my kids will at least try it. They don't like things really, really spicy. So we mix all of that together, and then we're going to add in a 1/4 of a red onion, which I have here. So now we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of peppers, and we're going to stir that around in the dressing until all of them are nice and coated. And again, I like to keep the onion pieces and the pepper big in case somebody's eating it and they don't like them, because then they can pick them out, rather than if they're small, then people will be getting them in every bite and not enjoy that. And then the last step for the salad portion is to add the lettuce. I'm using a bag of shredded lettuce, and it's actually a bag and a half. I combined 2 bags because I wanted to have the full 12 ounces that is a head of lettuce. We're going to take 2 spoons now and toss the lettuce into the dressing to make the salad complete. And that's the completed salad. In the next video, we will actually make a grinder with this and come back for that.